Hi, my name is Cassie. Welcome to Flint Fit Level 1 Core Exercises. So, to start off, I want us to take a few deep breaths, okay? Breath should be from the diaphragm. You should breathe through your diaphragm, not through your shoulders. Lots of times we'll breathe through our shoulders, but I want you to breathe through your diaphragm, okay? So, we're going to start by breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth, okay? As you breathe out through your mouth, I want you to be pushing your hand away from your stomach. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this 5 times. Let's breathe in and out. That's 1. Let's do 4 more. 2 more. Deep breath in and out. 1 more. Great job. Okay, so for our first exercise, what I want you to do is just press your back against the chair. This is what we call an isometric hold. So I just want you to press. You should feel all of your muscles in your back contracting, okay, as you press against the chair. And then I want you to come up tall. We're going to do that 10 times, okay? Here we go. 1, press against. 2, 3, good. Press and hold. 4, 5, you can do it. 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, for this next one, we're going to do some trunk rotation, we call them. So we're going to twist towards our left. What you can do is grab your arm and help assist it as we twist, okay? We're going to twist 15 times towards our left. It's going to look like this. And then back to the center. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. 15 times. You can do it. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and you got it. Go, go, go. 5, 6, 7, job. 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Go, go, go. 11, 12, 13, 14. One more. 15. Good job. Awesome. Now we're going to go to our right. Okay, here we go. Let's go. And 1, go as far as you can. Go, go, go. 2, you should really feel those trunk muscles working hard. 3, got it. Go, go, go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep going. 9, 10, 5 more. You got it. 11, 12, 13, 14. One more. Come on, you got it. Go, go, go. 15. Awesome job. Good. So you should start feeling those trunk muscles really working. So I want you to take your right shoulder and bend it down towards your right hip. You're going to feel that left side of your trunk really pulling to bring you back up to center. Okay? So it's going to look like this. You're going to tip that shoulder down, then feel that trunk as you bring your body back up. Okay? If you're not able to bring it all the way up by yourself, you can use your hand to kind of help push you back up. Okay? But try to use your trunk as much as you can. So here we go. Right hip or shoulder down towards your right hip and back up. That's 1. 2. Good job. Keep going. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 more. Come on, you can do it. Go, go, go. 11. 12. 13. 14. Last one. 15. Woo! You should start feeling it now. Okay, now we're going to take our left shoulder and dip it down towards our left hip. Once again, I want you to feel that trunk really pulling you back up. But if you need a little assistance, you can take your hand and help push yourself back up. Okay, so you ready? 15 times. Here we go. Dip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Come on. Go, 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 go. You can do it. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Woo, good job. Awesome, awesome. All right, for our next one, what I want you to do is you're going to lean forward as far as you can go comfortably, and then I want you to use your back muscles to push yourself back up. If you need a little bit of assistance, you can take your unaffected hand and help push against your leg to sit back up straight. But try to use your back muscles as much as you can, okay? It shouldn't be painful, but you should feel the muscles working. Okay, so we're going to lean forward, and then we're going to sit back up for 1. Good. Let's go down, back up, 2, down, back up, 3. Good job. 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You should be feeling it in your back now. 14, and 15. Woo! Good. You should start feeling those muscles working. Okay, so for our last one, we're going to do some circles. I really want you to engage your whole trunk core muscles, okay? We're going to do this clockwise and then counterclockwise. So I'm going to show you first. You're going to start and you're going to go in a circle. I really want you to engage your tummy muscles. Once again, if you're able to do this without the support of your hand, go ahead and do that. But if you need your hands to help support you, that's fine too, okay? So let's start out doing 15 clockwise, okay? Here we go. Ready? Use those core muscles. Good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Woo, good job. Okay, now we're going to do our counterclockwise. So you guys ready? Really engage that trunk, okay? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got it. 5 more. Come on. Go, go, go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo. Deep breath again. In through that nose, out through your mouth. You did awesome. Thank you so much for doing exercise with us. We'll see you next time.